Jason Taumalolo. Obviously played a lot of football alongside him, but he's the youngest ever Cowboy to debut, and still at high school. And tonight we've just seen him. His debut year was a fair year as well, and yeah, he's got it all. He can pass, pre-line, offload. He's got a great motor on him now, and he's only going to get better, which is scary.
You said in your tips this weekend that the Cowboys, they cannot win without Jason Taumalolo. What is it that makes him so influential?
Well, he just rolls forward. When you have a look at his stats, I hate talking stats, but he runs consistently over 250 metres, and it bends the defence back, which means your creative players have more time with the ball in their hands, your strike players get the ball earlier, and everything comes off the back of his go forward. He also takes a lot of eyes and a lot of focus off other players. They're all watching him. So you look back to any great half over the last 20, 30 years, you can name them, Langer and Stewart, Cron, Thurston, name them all. If they didn't have the big men rolling forward, there is no way that you could do which they normally do.
So who's more important than in the team, say Jason Taumalolo or Jonathan Thurston 5 years ago?
I'd have to say Taumalolo because of my argument I just spoke about. Without that go forward, Jonathan couldn't do what he could do with the space and the room that these big men, in particular Taumalolo, what they...
Please, allow me to show you something.